Welcome back to your French class. Our today's lesson is Futur Simple, means simple future tense. As in English you use I will go to market, I will meet my friends, I will talk to them. This kind of sentences whenever you are using will with the first form of verb. So let's take the formation first. First of all, we'll take the subject, means the doer of the action. Then comes the verb. Verb means the action should be written here in its infinitive form. Why I'm saying infinitive form? Because we want the complete verb. Here in French we have three categories: IR ending verbs, RE ending verbs and ER ending verbs. So the complete verb you have to write here. Then comes the endings. These are the endings that are to be added with the verb. And the endings are like AI, AS, A, ONS, ESN and ONT. Let's take one example. Suppose I take a verb parler. This is the complete verb, complete ER ending verb, or you can say the infinitive form of parler. I have just added AI with this. How it will be written? And we are going to do the same with the other pronouns as well. How it will be written afterwards? I will write the complete verb, the infinitive form of parler. Now I will add this ending, AI. Now how it will be read? Je parlerai. Now we are going to do the same with the next pronoun, that is tu. We'll write the complete verb. And now I will add this ending. Tu parleras. Now with il and el singular, again we are going to do the same. We are going to write first the complete verb, then we'll add the endings. Il parlera, elle parlera. With nous, now again we'll write the infinitive form of parler. Now I will add this ending and it will be read like nous parlerons. Now with vous, again complete verb. Now comes the ending. Vous parlerez. Now with il and elle plural, again we'll write the complete verb, the infinitive form of parler. Now I'll add this ending and it will be read like ils parleront, elles parleront. Now in each and every sentence, the sentence is giving the sense of future, like the action is going to be done in future. Je parlerai, I will talk or I will speak. Tu parleras, you will speak. Elle parlera, he will speak or she will speak. Nous parlerons, we will speak. Vous parlerez, you, the plural one or somebody who is elder to you. Vous parlerez, you will speak. Il or elle parleront, they means the boys or the girls, they will speak. So let's understand with some more examples so that we come to know how it is to be used in sentences. First statement. We'll write the pronoun as it is. Je mange une pomme. I eat or I am eating an apple. Now first comes the pronoun, it will come as it is. Now we are supposed to take the infinitive form of this verb. Here the manger verb is written in its conjugated form with the je. The actual infinitive form is manger. We have written now the complete verb till er. Okay. Now we have to add this ending, that is AI. With all the je cases, after writing the infinitive form of the verb, you are supposed to add AI. Okay, in all the futur simple cases. So, je mangerai. Now the rest of the statement, une pomme. Je mange une pomme. I eat or I am eating an apple. Je mangerai une pomme. I will eat an apple. Now it has been changed into futur simple. Now the next one. Tu écoutes de la musique. You listen to some music. Now how it will be changed again? The pronoun will come as it is. Now the complete form means the infinitive form of the verb, that is écouter. Okay, we'll write the complete form. Now with tu, the endings are like as. Now it has become tu écouteras. Tu écouteras de la musique, some music. Elle achète une voiture noire. She is buying a black car. Now L will come as it is because it's a pronoun. Ashit will be written in its infinitive form, ashite, the complete verb. With L, the ending is a. Elle achètera une voiture noire. She will buy a black car. Nous allons à la bibliothèque. We are going to the library. Now here, very important thing has come. Here I have made a star because there are few verbs that are exceptional. They do not take the same pattern, means for conjugating them in future simple, we do not write the complete verb, the infinitive form of the verb. We do make some changes, and this verb, ale verb, also belongs to that category. So we'll do this verb in this video, and rest of the verbs I will make you understand in the next video. So let's take the pronoun for this sentence, that is nous. And now this is, although this is ale verb, I should write here ale, but no, again I'm telling you, it is also it will also not follow the same rule as we are doing. It is an irregular verb, so we will write here irons. Nous irons à la bibliothèque means we will go to the library. We are going to the library. We will go to the library. Do watch the next video so that your doubt here that I have told you there are few verbs that are not conjugated on the same format. To see those verbs and to learn more about those verbs, you have to see the next video. Please do watch it. And if you need to ask anything more about this, do ask in the comment box. Thank you.